This is everything I'll be using. Stop! Ow! Good morning, y'all. I look a hot ass fucking mess right now. First of all, it's been like a week since I vlogged. I'm gonna say like a week. It's kind of chilly outside now. That's how long it's been. But when I say this class that I'm in is whooping my ass, baby, I'm gonna win though. That's the difference between me and other people. I'm gonna win, okay? I haven't been on social media. I haven't really done anything in like a month. Anyway, it's time to do my hair. But anyway, I think I want to do like a quick weave, so let's do it. Okay, I'm on blow dry now. I had to switch y'all's location from here to there because I want to put my phone on here because I want to do a TikTok. I don't know why I'm in this make content mood today, but I'm here for it. So this is everything I'll be using. I just bought some little quick weave hair. I didn't buy nothing that was like super duper expensive because I'm only gonna have it in for like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, something like that. So I just bought some little regular hair, and all the hair at the store that I went to was like 50% off. So I'm like, okay. And then I got some wig caps. 6 come in a pack, and I'm glad because I always run out of wig caps. I don't know what that is. And then I got some Morning Glory protective shield. But when I told her Morning Glory, this is what we be using, she knew what I was talking about. So this works for me. And then I got some Eben, which y'all know I love. So yeah. Stop! Ow!
Fight then.
Alright y'all, so I got one side done. I'm gonna show y'all the side. Key to this hairstyle, it's perfecting the part, so that's what I'm doing right now. I have the comb that I do honey twist with, it's locks. That's the comb I'm using. I feel like that's pretty good.
Blah, blah, blah.